darkness, in my 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 darkness.
So our little had gotten a lot of attention inside of Trader Joe's. I left out maybe, I've been going for like an hour. So I left the house and it was around maybe 59 degrees and it's 68 right now. So I have my hot jacket on. I'm gonna put my hot jacket back on even though it's a little bit warm, but it's not too warm. About to go ahead towards Dollar Tree. But yeah, I wanted to film inside of, there was so many people inside of Trader Joe's. And I was just too shy to film in there. I guess it takes time to film in public, especially, I film in public sometimes when there's like not a lot of people. In crowded spaces, I tend to be like a lot more hesitant with that. So it's like, too many people. So, but yeah, I'm about to head to Dollar Tree and get some laundry detergent really quick. of style I have right now. I just like pull my hair to the back and I look at the camera, it looks like I attempted an actual style. But all right, guys, this wraps up the Sunday vlog, I guess. I'm gonna see if I can get started on these series. Sundays are the days so I pretty much restart. Well, most people restart, so I pretty much rest on Sundays and just get prepared for the rest of my week. As you guys seen in this vlog, it was me and Arlo. Aries not with us today. Tomorrow we're picking her up. She's been at the vet for the past 4 days. She's been having some serious health issues, but now they're going to be resolved. They are. I was gonna say fingers crossed, but no, I'm speaking this into existence. They are. So right now I'm just watching. So right now I'm just watching homes. When agents, they begin, like when the agents tour houses, I love to watch like these house tours. So yeah, I like watching these house tours for like multiple reasons. One, I love how things, like when things look good. Two, just gives me ideas when I get my home. Three, practicing manifestation. So yeah, so I like to do things like that. Like for example, I love watching videos of things or just looking at people experiencing the things I would want to have. I'll just like watch YouTube videos on it or movies on it, and just the way that just kind of like escaping the paradigm, the things that I'm used to having or things that I'm used to already. So I live through it through other people. That's a manifestation tactic. But yeah, so right now I've been listening to my chakra playlist. Right now I'm listening to the solar plexus. So I tend to listen to my chakra playlist almost every day. It just takes, whenever I listen, I do this to clear up any energies that I feel like trapped or stuck, or if I'm feeling like pain in my chest. Not like physical pain, just like if it feels a little bit heavy. I like to listen to some heart chakra meditation, heart chakra frequency, to release the trap or stuck energy so it can go up, because you know in the chakras, this energy travels and it spirals up. So I start from the root. The second is the sacral. The third is the solar plexus. The fourth is the heart. The fifth is the throat. Then the third eye, and then the crown. So I separated throughout the day mainly. Like normally, I should have done this in the morning, but I didn't get a chance to do this. Yeah, that's what I did. But yeah, so that pretty much sums up today's vlog. If you guys are interested in and tuning in, if you guys love my content, if you guys are interested in my content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, share. Let's try to reach to 400 subscribers. I can't do this without you guys. Until then, peace.